Yeah, good evening, ma'am. So basically, I'm a Java software engineer,
Mhm.
like 5 years, about 5 years. And so the objective is to learn Kotlin and also know uh, how to develop application on mobile. Yeah.
Yeah. Good, good. So just now I got one clarity because see sometimes what happens, the people come as a very freshers, like who completed just their graduation. So like those kind of people also will come to the course. So when they will come, like we will go each and every step, like because they don't have any knowledge on a programmatical session. That's the reason. Just will be a little bit different for you. People already have some knowledge on this technology stack, so we'll go in detail of that. First of all, like course details. Before going into the course in detail, first let introduce first about this Android course. Then after that we'll go here step by step. Like here, first of all, Android. So what is the definition? So the definition of Android, I'll teach you in a very simple way, so in a simple word, so that we can never forget that. So first of all, like Android is an operating system. So it is an operating system first, then it is an development environment, then it's open source, last finally Linux kernel. So simple four words. With these four words, we can define the definition of the Android. Android is an operating system. By using this, we can develop the apps, and it is open source. Always, it is run all the apps. It will run on the top of this Linux kernel because the operating system will be built on top of the Linux environment. So that's the reason the Linux kernel is the first level of security for our Android application. So this is the simple definition. But here each word in detail we will discuss. Let us say, for example, operating system. What is an operating system? So normally we know, like we use many operating systems. Like in laptops, we are using Windows, Mac, Linux, like the different kind of operating system we will use. So, but operating system is nothing but it's a middleware, or it's a between the bridge between the components, right? What components? Hardware as well as the software. So it is the middleware between software and hardware. So middleware between software and hardware. Like here, in this environment, like it means in our general use, like Windows, we are using Windows laptop, Mac laptop, Linux, Solaris. So like many is there, but comes into this mobile operating system side, there are only two. One is the Android, other is an iOS. So there are only two operating systems are available. So whatever we are discussing this here now, that is with the Android. So that is Android here we are discussing about. Then after that, so development environment. So by using this, we can build apps. But here there are three different kinds of development will be there in a Android platform. So one is the apps. What is this is our course. So app development is our course. Then second level, there is other two will be there. Other is the games. So next is the OS level. So there are total three. OS level means like here for the first two, like the games as well as the apps, to develop the games as well as the apps. So we need, like we can develop those things by using the Kotlin as well as Java. So recently just it is started with Python as well. But nowadays the most is like from the Google side itself, it is encouraging that Kotlin. Initially, like before 2.5 years and 3 years back, till that time, we are developed the apps, means we was developed the apps by using the Java. Later, because of the feature perspective, completely we switch to Kotlin. Even though whatever the apps previously we did on Java, those also as much as we converted into Kotlin, because we are getting huge support from this. So that's the reason we converted that into this. And that is a first level like apps as well as the games we can develop. But this course is apps only. Games will be completely different because the games architecture will be different. That development also different, so that will be different. And voice level. For this voice level, normally we will use that C and C++. So here this is Kotlin slash Java. Right, but here C and C++, but that will be available only on a certain companies. Why? Because if I'll get job in a Google, so there may be a chance either I can go as the development of the apps as well as OS level, or if I get job in Samsung, Nokia, Vivo, means device manufacturer companies, because every manufacturer has customized the operating system, right? Every device manufacturer has customized the operating system, so there maybe we will involve on the customization. So that is the reason here we have to that, but that technology is completely different. That is a C as well as a C++ that will help on that area. So this area is now belongs to us. Right, now the next, open source. So one more thing here, now whenever you have any question, you can ask immediately, or you can send query in a chat so that I'll clarify your questions. Right, the next, open source. What is the meaning of open source? The general meaning of the open source is freely available. But what is freely available? So there are many things which are available freely. So that is one, like freely available means here, for example, I can go with the stakeholder wise. End user. We all are end users who are using Android devices. So we are using the Android devices. So we are because of the open source, we are getting almost all apps are the free apps. Free apps we are getting means we are not paying anything to install the apps, right? So we are getting the free. But here, for example, let us say here I want this MS Office in my laptop. I need some key, right? To activate the MS Office original version, I need a key. But in our mobile, no, directly we are getting the lot of apps, whatever we require, that we are getting with free of cost, right? That is the one major difference there and here, right? Then after, the second stakeholder, if we are a developer. So if we are a developer, so dev environment free. Completely we are getting the dev environment as free of cost. So no need to pay anything for this. Also, not only that, we are getting other things, that is like here I show you one website. So that is the developer.android.com. So the site name called developer.android.com. This is a very huge community. With this community, we are getting lot of things from, if you are a fresher. So how to start your career as a fresher to till the deployment level. till the deployment level, whatever information you require, that all the information will be available on this site, that is developer.android.com. Not only the particular website, so here the reference videos available, everything available. But to access this, you have more patience because every information will be available. Means there is no straightforward answer. Like nowadays, lot of AI tools has came. Like let us say simple example. I want to design a calculator in Android. That code I can get that reference code in this. But for that I need to search lot and I need to combine step 1 here, step 2 here, step 3 here, like that in a different places. I have to combine all the code and I want to paste my environment, then it will be work right. But if I use some other AI tool, right? If I use some other AI tool, so what happened? Simply I'll ask, I need a calculator with addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, percentage, like whatever I want. I'll ask the questions to AI tools. So that AI tool itself, it will give the some part of the code that you have to paste. But whenever you are using that much, that is not a standard format. You need to customize the code. You need to customize the code. So that kind of customization we will get here. So because of that, as a developer, we are getting that two benefits from here. Right. Next, last stakeholder here. So that is the device manufacturer. In case if in case if just 1 minute. Yeah, sorry, just I got one client call. So in case if you are a device manufacturer, so device manufacturer, let us say device manufacturer. So what is the benefit? Like here, every device manufacturer has customizing the operating system. So customizing the operating system. So that is like, say for example, today I have bought Android 15 with Android 15, 8 GB RAM in Samsung. Some of you buy same whatever hardware, whatever the software I'm using, same if you buy, but that will be in a Vivo or any other manufacturer. So what happens here now? Both looks will be different because they are customizing. So the customization is done already. The custom is done. So they customized. Because of that, here it will be simple. We can say this is the because of the open source that flexibility is available here. Right. Then final last year Linux kernel. So about this Linux kernel in detail, we will discuss while we are discussing about the architecture. But in a simple words, I'll tell you, this is the first level of security, first level of security for our applications. First level of security for our applications. Because if whatever the app I open, that communication should happen through this layer. So that's the reason this is the first level of security layer for our Android applications, right? So this is the simple way. It is the definition of the Android, right? Now, I have a question for you people. I have a question for you people. Why? Why we are using this? Means why you are learning this course? So because why I'm asking this question, like many people will come with many reasons. Many reasons. Why? Many reasons. So, like already initially, like Christopher and Prabhakar said, so they want to switch into this environment. So I'll tell you general things. First of all, like first is the job. Like many people came for the job. If you came only for the job, why this? Why not other? Python. There is opportunities are available on a Python, Angular, Java. So every technology there are the opportunities. But in this technology also, there is an equal opportunities are available in the market. So also apart from the job, so there are some other benefits are available. That is first is own apps. So as a developer, you can create your own applications and you can publish those applications in the Play Store so that you get two benefits. Your name will be popular. Also, same time you will get some income. How you will get that income? Because while we are publishing those apps into a Play Store, so we will add the or enable the ads in the application so that but the users are using. So while using the ads will display, from the ads we will get some revenue. But now I hope there is some question on you people like me. If my app could be installed by 10,000 members, how much revenue I'll get for a month, right? So in case 10,000 members are installed my application, but on a daily basis, average 50% people can use my application. Maybe there is a chance, but I won't believe on that because unless that app is mandatory for their life, then I can expect that. So that's the reason I go very worst. That is 10%. Only 10% means 100 users. 100 users are using daily on in between 5 to 10 minutes for the application. So easily you can get 100 to 150 dollars because this payment will be in a dollars. So means it's a mini 8 to 13, 14, 15, 8 in between of the 9 to 15K you will get easily on this. Because nowadays the dollar rate will be 85. So 8,500 to like this much you can get that. So that is the one benefit here. Means this, but this revenue will be for how many days? 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, until Your app should be in a Play Store until the users are respecting your app. Means your app should be having the standard proper application standard that like UI should be liked by the users. It will be helpful then we'll get those income from this, right? The next, freelancer. So here we are getting a lot of freelancer opportunities as well. Why? Because see, if I open Play Store, there are billions of applications are available, but all the applications are not uploaded by the developers, right? Then whom maybe I have interested to create applications, but I don't know development. Why I need to learn? Why I need, instead of learning, I can approach someone who knows Android. Then maybe they develop the rest of the things. I'll take it, right? Like so let's say I need one simple application. I approached one company. The company said that this application can be done in 1 lakh. Let a simple example I'm telling. If I approach like one of you, I said I need this application. So you said that this will be done in between of the 20 to 30, because here you are the individual person, there it is a company. So that definitely I cannot afford 1 lakh, I can afford 20 to 30K, then obviously I can come to you and I'll close that application, then I can go in a live, right? So that is the one benefit here. So means apart from the job, here we have 2 extra benefit with this course, right? Hope still it is clear, or anyone have any questions? No questions? Okay, so what we are learning on this course and how we are learning this course, that is the next topic. This is main and important aspect of this course, right? So now the latest version of the Android is that Android 16. This has launched recently. So whatever our course, that course will go with Android 16. Then the language called Kotlin. And for other language, for design perspective, we use XML, and the logic purpose we called a Kotlin. Right. So this two line, like next we will use web services as well to design a server part. So the web services that is in the form of JSON. So those are like RESTful services we will use. RESTful services we will use in this course, right? Then the duration. If I comes to duration, that is like duration is nothing but here. It's a 45 days. Means every day we will spend 1 hour session. So sometimes maybe it's a 45 to 50. It goes 50 as well. Like we need in between of the 45 to 50 hours of this course. Every day we will spend 1 hour session, but initial first 1 week I'll spend 30 to 40 minutes, because some people may come, some people next day may, some other people will come next day. Like after 1 week, all the people will be stabilized. Then we'll spend exactly the 1 hour session. And coming into this explanation wise, how today I'm writing here like one by one, step by step. So this can be done like this can be done like that. So each and every topic also we can go and discuss like each and everything. I'll write, means I create a project in front of you people. I'll write the code each and every line by line with clear explanation in front of you people only, because the Kotlin XML both are the very different languages, because you have some knowledge on other platforms, but this is completely new for you people. So that's the reason each and every line clearly will explain. And one more thing here, this part you remember clearly, this is not a core. This is not a core language. This is the like kind of framework language framework. Means like I don't write, means we won't discuss about this what is class, what is object, what is hoops concept. So those kind of minimal discussion we cannot, because this is on a top of the core we are hearing this is advanced level course. So that's the reason this is the framework kind of thing. So that will means maybe there I'll explain you, okay, this is the class, this is the object, like this, but I cannot go in detail like what is definition of the class, what is definition of the object, and that fashion I cannot go. Right? This is this like here in a class, whatever we discussed in a classroom code. So that code I'll upload in one drive. I'll share the drive link. You people can access the code immediately after the class. Also, whatever the recording, like every session will be recording, so that the recordings also you will get after the session, you will get the recordings. And I'll upload one PDF into this drive. So that PDF as prepared by me. So that theoretical as well as the programmatical available. Also, end of the each class, I'll give you the task. So if you perform the task, you will get an easy line. Also, some referral videos and websites. I'll prepare you those. I'll give you. And also, like you need any kind of things like, for example, job. You need a resume, sample resume. Also, I prepare. I'll share you in this drive. You can from there you can go and you can do or modify that. If you need any support on that, also I'll support you for those kind of things. Even in my company, whatever the mobile team is there, all the mobile team members are my students. So means in case if any opportunities in my company, definitely I'm hiring from the people who are in my circle. So that is the one helpful. And also if any references going on somewhere outside in my, because I'm into this field more than 10 years, lot of contacts in different areas. So the people can also, if any people will like having opportunities, they'll definitely come to me, so that I'll refer you people. So the reference will be applicable. Some part of reference will be also applicable here. Right. The next main and important here. So like I'll create one sample project. This is not fully complete project, because the time could not sufficient to do that complete project. While we are discussing about the advanced topics like web services, there I'll create one sample project. On the sample project, I'll incorporate more than 10 to 15, means more than 10, in between of the 10 to 15 different topics into a single project. How the real-time project flows will go. In this way, I'll incorporate all the things into that, so that you will get how we need to develop the real-time project. There you will get the scope of that. So that from there you can follow and you can close the next things here. And whatever the exam, like code, whatever the coding we are discussing here, I don't have any predefined and fixed codes with me. Like today, for example, I'm discussing some XYZ topic. So the XYZ topic related code, whatever the code should come in my brain, directly I can implement in front of you people. Means I don't have any copy pasted code. Okay, this copy paste code and use that. Like that kind of is not, but some basic code will be like that one because basic code never change. Whatever the basic code should be like that. After that, whatever we are working on top of the basic, that day by day it will be means batch to batch. It may change for every this way, right? So like in case if you have some knowledge on this Android topics wise, so we are discussing about the MVC architecture, MVVM architecture, how to create a Play Store account, Google Maps, fragments, material design, and basic JSON fragments, room database. So not only that, in detail course content I'll show you majority of the topics. Maybe you have some topics in your brain. That's why I'm telling this components of Android, Bluetooth, like those kind of things we'll discuss in detail of course here. So hope till you people are clear or you have any questions. Christopher, Prabhakar, Ahmad, if you are clear.
For me, it's clear. So, concerning the project, we're gonna do one full project. Will it be?
It's not a full project. It's a structure, project structure I'll create and that I'll incorporate some topics. From there onwards, you can create the next steps on that. If you need any help on that doing the next steps, I'll help you there.
Mm, okay.
Okay. So any other questions from anyone?
Sir, I want to know, like, since you have been in the industry for a long time, so like, can you show me your apps which you have created and what kind of apps you have created so far?
Yeah. So on my personal account, I not created. Like my company side, we have did a lot of things. So so these all are we did from company side. Just let me open.
So in this curriculum, sir, will you also teach how to take the help of AI to create the app as well? Like,
Correct. I'll help you those AI tools. Like
and also, yeah, there are a lot of AI tools, even code cursor AI, and also like a lot of AI tools are available in the market. As of now, ChatGPT is always there. And like
yeah,
I also heard it, not in fact heard it, in fact I studied regarding it, that if you publish your apps, you can make money. And I could see that you have to purchase a console from Google to publish your app.
correct.
That costs around $25. And single console, I could see like 15, 20 apps with 1 crore, 2 crores downloads. So I could
Yeah,
figure out, I did the calculation, the maths, and maybe they're earning like, I think
correct.
maybe 10,
Lot of
5,000,
yeah,
10,000, maybe even a day. In fact, I checked Kind Master application, kind of application which
correct. Lot
is
of
used for
things.
video editing. Yeah. And
Yeah.
in shorts, they're making millions, in fact, with just
Correct.
apps as
Yes,
well.
exact.
Although these are complex applications, but yeah, with the help of AI and maybe one can create those apps with a bit of effort.
Correct. We can do that easily. We can do that kind of.
And also, like we do have freelancing from Fiverr as well. So job is like I don't see much of the openings from my perspective. I don't see Android in the boom now. Maybe data analytics and all those parts will be in the boom, as you said, like Python and all. But yes, then I think one can make much more money if one does freelancing and maybe if he publishes his own app. So that is what I think. You have better insight of it.
Yeah. Because a lot of those is there. Correct. So in even maybe you are from India or you are from outside.
No, of course I'm from India. Sir.
No, currently you are in India only.
Yeah, of course. I'm in India.
Yeah. From which location?
I am from West Bengal.
Okay. So, so like depends. See here now. Like fast till the May, there are
Mm-hmm.
very less openings in this platform,
Mm-hmm.
but now
Mm-hmm.
slowly it started. So in
Mm-hmm.
Hyderabad now, like a lot of opportunities are coming. Previously, who completed the course in February,
Mm-hmm.
March. So like majority of the people has placed in these 2 months.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why
Yeah,
I'm
what?
saying that.
Yeah, job is always there, but then here, apart from like other technologies, like let's suppose someone in data analytics or something, here the chances are more for freelancing as well, and also one can
Correct,
publish his
correct,
own apps. Maybe if he publishes 10, 15 utility apps, he can earn more than 70,000, 80,000 a month
correct,
by in
correct.
Indian
Easily,
currency.
easily. Correct,
So
correct, easily.
I have checked there are a couple of like applications which are many in they're in millions in fact. All those like these are
Correct,
like utility apps basically are very exhaustively used,
correct, 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 correct. Lot of
and
things.
game applications you get to earn much more money in games because once you get this stuck in the level you have to watch the rewarded videos and then you get to the next level. So that's
Correct,
how you with one video ad you get like zero point 0.3 cents or something, so which is higher than the native ads
correct.
or the banner ads.
Correct, correct. But here what happens, like development of game little bit
Of
complicated
course,
compared to
that's
these utilities.
complex. That's complex, and also like with the help of ChatGPT and with the help of source code being available in different
Yeah,
platforms like Code Canyon and other platforms, one can easily
correct.
take it. But yes, so if he has to learn it first, and with
Yeah,
little
yeah,
bit of effort, maybe you get multiple opportunities to make money here with
correct,
Android
correct,
development.
correct, correct. Yes. Yeah. So these are the apps which we developed from our company side.
Mhm.
So the basically when initial days I developed some of the applications in Android, but now those all are like some of the deprecates happen. After that, I stuck in my
I
career busy and all. I not developed those other applications.
Okay, sir, one more thing. Like I wanted to ask you, like, could you search documented scanner? I just wanted to show you how, I mean, how, what is the demand of these utility apps, documented
Correct,
scanner.
correct, correct,
So if you search from top to bottom, you'll see like these applications are in millions downloads, and all of
correct,
them
correct.
being exhaustively used, and they make
Not
a hell
only
lot of
this,
money.
I'll show you some other apps also like
To-do list or habit builder kind of uh, SIP
this kind of.
calculator.
These are
Yeah.
also dummy apps. These are a dummy, but
Mhm.
these are also having that many downloads.
These are all easily we can create these apps very easily because there is not
Correct,
much
correct.
processing is done.
But
You can
these kind of apps income will be only certain period.
yeah, no, not very much. In fact, very limited
Yeah,
income.
yeah.
Yes,
Income, limited income and limited days.
yes. With those kind of utility apps, I think they are to-do
Yes, yes,
list,
that
reminders, applications,
correct, correct.
task reminder kind. Also like
Yeah,
uh, habit builder. Lot
yeah,
of
yeah.
lot
Lot
of
of
there,
things. Yeah,
lot
yeah,
of
yeah.
there. So
Budget
uh,
calculator, like those
budget
many things.
calculator.
Yeah, yeah,
And
many.
with the help of AI, one can also create a
Correct,
teacher
correct.
kind of, I mean, virtual teacher kind of application, which I
Yes,
mean, so
correct,
all you have to do is to get the API keys. With the weather application, you'll find like I think more than I think 5,000 6,000 weather apps are available in Play Store, but
correct,
all of them are have got decent downloads and they all are making money.
correct, correct. Lot of things there. Yes,
And those are, I think, easy. We one can create those apps easily as compared to like complex apps like gaming apps. Those are very complex compared to
correct,
these.
correct, correct. Okay, so I think from tomorrow we will start our actual session. So we'll see
So, have
that
you used Cursor AI so far?
what is it? Cursor,
Cursor AI.
cursor AI.
Cursor AI code editor. It's a very useful tool for if in case you want to edit your code. Yes, you can search it. This is the one.
Yeah, I
Wrap is
heard,
there.
but no. Yeah, yeah, never.
This
I
is the
never
wrap
used.
one. Yeah, this is the wrap one. The
Mm-hmm.
substitute of like Cursor AI. You
Mm-hmm.
simply give the I mean, you can edit your code. You can ask it to create the codes. In fact, entire app they can these can create.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
yeah, there are
This is normally like in our Android Studio itself. It is inbuilt. It is Gemini is there here.
Gemini is there, but Gemini is not as good as Cloud
Correct, correct.
AI yeah,
It is inbuilt
because
in this platform.
yeah.
Yeah,
But then, if in
yes,
case you want to use those AIs, first you need to learn Android Studio properly.
correct,
Then one can use it.
correct, correct, correct.
Otherwise, it would be like you won't be able to understand what the
Yeah,
AI is
this
doing.
one is there.
After all,
Cursor.
AI,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
that's
Cursor.
right.
This one we used
Yeah,
already.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
used already. Okay, guys. Any other questions?
I have one question actually.
Yeah.
Actually, I already tried that Android and install and everything. Okay, there's
Mm-hmm.
something like that. Of course, we are writing in a code or Kotlin and everything, but somehow I saw that we need to some drag and drop things are there. Is it there only or something else? Am I misunderstood that one?
Yeah, yeah. Drag and drop option will be available, but that will be limited UI. Like you can't fully customize image. Even the code will also writing the code also very easy here.
Mm-hmm.
That both the things I'll teach you. Drag and drop, how we need to drag and drop, and how we need to write the code. Both I'll teach you.
No, I'm just very confused that if we are
Mhm.
able to drag and drop on both of the things are available fully, just like I'm able to see you in the screen like that.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
fine.
Fully. See here now. Here, just I want one button. I can drag and drop. See here, this button came here. Depends on
Just
the
like
layout. Like depends
just
on
like I- Mhm.
depends on how we are using the background code. That depends on this whatever I'm using here, this layout now, this layout property, it should sit on a default there. That's the reason it went there. In case if I use some other layout now, it will be fitted like this.
It's like I'm also from the UI background. I studied.
Mhm,
I just want
mhm.
to confirm if your drag and drop functionality is already here, then why this much?
No, functionality cannot be only UI. Functionality we need to write in a code inside.
It's only part of UI only.
Yeah, yeah, UI only. It's a UI.
Okay. Okay, or one more thing. The course structure is firstly we will start with the Android, then Kotlin and everything like this will go, na?
Yes, yes. First we'll start with the XML side. Okay.
Okay.
Then after that, we'll go and we'll start with the Kotlin side. First design. First means first three to four sessions will be completely the theoretical sessions. Then after 4 to 5 sessions will be on XML. Then from there,
Mhm.
XML plus Kotlin classes will be going.
Okay. That's it.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Thank you.
Then yeah, then we will meet tomorrow 9 p.m. again.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.